What's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? Just got off work. Kind of an easy day. We shot 1,000 feet of piping. So, in a couple hours. Real easy day. But yeah, man, got this package at home. Waiting for y'all. Picked it up over the weekend, so it's already at home. I don't have to drive to go get it, but I do have to go to my sister's house. I have to go pick up some food my mama cooked. My mama be throwing down. She didn't cook dressing. She didn't cook greens, beans, potatoes, tomatoes. Nah, but she cooked the whole Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm gonna go get my plate I left over there and my sticker for my car and go to the crib and unbox this for y'all. So see y'all in a minute. What's hood gang, man? Just got in the crib from work, man. Decent little day at work, man. Nothing too major. It's a little hot today. But man, let me go ahead and get this review out for y'all. Old review. But I just got the shoe, so this is my review. So let me get this out. And I gotta make a run to the Sprint store. So let's get this knocked out. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today. And of course, this is from not only the plug. Nah, this from StockX though. Y'all already know the Hokage of StockX. Not finna talk y'all ears off, but before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know if y'all like the content, make sure you merely rock that like button, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Enough talking. Let's get into it. And honestly, I accidentally bought these shoes. This was not on purpose. I put a bid in for this shoe and I stopped thinking about it. And then something just popped up in my email like bid accepted. I'm like, bid accepted? I'm like, what is it? I didn't even know what it was. And then when I seen it, I'm like, oh, damn. I forgot I had a bid in for these. I know y'all like, what the fuck? This is the Air Force One High, just done. Size 9. Colorway on this is white. Spanish is Blanco. There y'all go. Just done. Know he be doing some special shit with his boxes. White on white box. I don't know if y'all can see, but it say Force. Say Nike Air Force One in big bold. It just says Forces. Y'all know how StockX come. They got the pull-out box too. StockX receipt. These is nice. Bling, wow, word on the shoes, man. These is dope though. I wanted these, so I wasn't like mad, but I was just not expecting them. But anyways, this is the shoe. Let me get y'all that full 360 view of the shoe. Make sure this joint focus. I don't know what this fucking phone we looking at. These joints definitely on the dope side. I wanted these when I first seen them. I'm like, damn. Wow. And of course, you already know this left side always had this tag on there, so that's why you mainly do the right shoe. So we're gonna keep that going. Let me see, it got some paper and stuff in here. Just done be doing this thing on this leather. I don't know if it was the paper. Okay, we're gonna stuff that over here. All right. Now we're gonna start on the toe box. As you can see, just like any Just Done, they put some good leather on this shoe off the rip. Traditional I was gonna say Air Jordan, Air Force One toe box, except for this part right here. I guess this was just a old twist. This kind of look like the side that be on like the trainers though. Like this right here that be on the trainers. It's kind of like that side. You have the stitch, swoosh in. Apologize for my nails. I'm fresh off work. So, you know, I'll just jump right into it. I know motherfuckers like, your nail dirty as hell, bruh. Stitched in swoosh. On this, you have just right here. So I'm assuming on this you will have done. So put them together. Of course, it will say just done. Goes without saying. I'm glad they came laced like that. So it's easy to put on. Standard. Well, this ain't how it actually come laced. Whoever had the shoe did this, but standard lace system for the laces. And at the top, they already have this already buckled up for me, strapped up. Get the strap. But you have the gold lace tips for the strap. What is this? Snake skin on here? No, it's different type of skin. This might be crocodile. Then it goes into snake skin right here for the strap, which is real dope. All the way around snake skin. So it's like crocodile up here. Then it goes into snake skin all the way around. This real tumble too on the back of the heel. You got Just Done stitched in there with the swoosh. Snake skin all the way around back to the gold strap holder. He really like those big bulky shoes. Like you see like a lot of his shoes have like that old retro, like how what was those called? That man, old, I forgot. That old Air Command feel vibe to them, like just like the Just Done 312s had like the old Air Command vibe. Then it had Air Trainers mixed in with it. Like the colorway of the Command Forces had the Air Command vibe going on to it. This has the Air Command vibe going to it. So he really liked those big, bulky shoes. Like I'm assuming, you know, they OG style, real retro. But as you can see, he liked that because he put this force on there. But the leather up top feels buttery. I don't know if y'all can. I don't know if it's even getting that, but the leather, y'all see that tumbleness. This leather is real tumble, real soft too. Still can't believe it's not butter feel to them. And on the side panel, this will be the crocodile skin on the swoosh right here. This leather looks tumble, but it's kind of stiff. Ain't gonna lie. This leather got a buttery feel, but it's stiff too. But the whole toe box area, this nice. They're right here nice, bro. Going into the back, like I said, stitched in, Just Done. Like this heel is hard plastic, like the carbon plate, hard plastic Nike in right here. I don't know what this came from, but I'm pretty sure he got this idea from some other shoe. Snake skin on this swoosh though. The other swoosh had the crocodile. This swoosh has the snake skin right there. Real dope. And the swoosh is actually hidden in this one right here. So it goes up and you can see where it still like bulking out right there, which is real dope. And everybody know, you used to wear highs. You gotta wear it you got to wear the highs. The strap has to be in the back. I don't care how you wear them. The strap goes in the back. You never strap the highs in the front. So I'm gonna have to turn this strap around. The strap is gonna have to be in the back somewhere. You never strap around the front. Never. Hood Air Force One rules. Lace tips. Let me see, is this hard plastic? Nope. We got steel. We have metal, gold, like for the lace tips. As far as the lace holes, as you can see, is like gold. Hence, the sock liner, ooh-wee, and the insole. Hold up, I gotta see, can I get this insole out? Damn, they stapled this motherfucker to this shoe, didn't they? Yep, Gorilla Glue. Goddamn, fuck it. Fuck it. But in the insole is actually leather. This right here is leather. And it's tumble too. They put tumble leather in the insole. Just done on the insole. Real tumble leather too. The sock liner actually has a buttery leather feel to it as well. Behind the tongue as well. Buttery leather. I still can't believe it's not butter leather in there. Like, this is premium on the inside. Seriously. Outsole of shoe. All white. Standard Air Force Ones. Nike. With the swoosh right there. I don't know where he got the top panel from. Still dope. Like, the whole shoe is like basically reconstructed with a whole bunch of different parts from other shoes put into this one shoe. Like, I want to say, like, that's how Kanye shoes was too. Like, Nike don't really give artists and like designers and stuff where they just get them like colorways, like special colorways and stuff, and then they be like, oh well, you can take different parts from different shoes and then just make your own shoe and just say it's yours. They don't never let, like, Adidas let people ideas come to life, and Nike just like, hey, here go a scrap of shoes, do what you can. For real, that's how it seems. But Just Done been doing his thing, man. Midsole of the shoe, standard Air Force One midsole. All the way around. Got the little stars at the front. You know, nothing spectacular. Stars at the front. But yeah, man, like, Just Done been doing his thing. Those 312s, he should have had all of them with that leather, like the blue ones and the ghost green ones got. If all of them would have had that leather, they would have been crazy. But they went cheap on the rest of the pairs, except that black pair. That black pair got some tumble leather, but the rest of them, the leather it's buttery, but it's just like not tumble, which is cool. I ain't tripping. But yeah, this right here is wrong. Don't do this. It's just gonna be one circular in the back. Like, cut this off. Not necessarily, don't really cut it off, but one loop in the back. Hood rules. Never strap the front of the shoe. But anyways, man, this is my pickup from StockX. Y'all, this shoe, same thing. Ain't nothing changed. One with the strap almost in the back. One with the strap in the front. This is it for the video. Make sure you hit that like button if you like the content. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review StockX pickup unboxing from the StockX Hokage. Whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We got this jam.